Hi there, I'm Yuki, tour guide in anime town Akihabara, also known as Akiba. As a tour guide, I get asked by my tour guests like, where should I go for anime shopping, or which store is the cheapest in Akiba? To be honest, it all depends on what kind of items you wanna get. However, as we all know, there's way too many anime stores or figurine shops, so today, let me show you guys one of my favorite stores. So let's go check it out. Now we are walking inside the JR Akihabara station. This is station map. So if you get up from the Electric Town Gate, also known as West Gate, it's almost there. Landmark is a yellow signboard on your left. Radio Kaikan, Radio Kaikan, is a place I'm gonna introduce you today. This is one of the oldest buildings, also known as the trademark of Akihabara. Also, if you have ever watched the Steins Gate, you should be familiar with this building for sure. Like I introduced, since this building is right in front of the station, so anybody can easily enjoy shopping. Now, let's get inside the Radio Kaikan. On the first floor, there are a souvenir store, convenience store, and a glasses store. Now, look at the small pieces of glasses case. This is called rental showcase store. Once you pay for monthly rent, you can own a box and start your own business to sell your stuff. One more thing you can tell, which is that there are so many card game stores. Not only Magic, Yu-Gi-Oh! Or Pokemon card games, but also there are really many bunch of card games exist in Japan. On third floor, you can enjoy buying a bunch of small buttons, pins, badges, something like that. For serious otaku people, there is a specific way of using those buttons or badges. Have you ever heard of the itabak? Itabak is a word for making a specific bag which is covered in bunch of badges of buttons which are all same anime titles or same characters. So these sort of stores also helping people to making these itabags. In whole Akihabara area, you sometimes see the people who has those itabag, so you should keep eyes on it. Also, if you're lucky enough, you can see the itasha, which is a anime decorated car. One more thing you should be careful about, which is not to mix up with each stores. Even though each store is looking really similar, but this could be the different stores. So you should be really careful when you bring the product which you didn't buy yet to the different area or floors. Here's the one tip when you wanna buy anime figurine. Roughly speaking, there are two types of them: arcade price and scale figurine. They look similar, but what makes them different, which is price, quality, and selection of items. So if you wanna save your budget, arcade price, or if you wanna get high quality one, go for scale figurines. In my opinion, the quality of price figurines these days improved a lot, so I recommend price ones to enjoy shopping. Plus, you need to know about this too. Look at this price figurine. How much would you pay for this? Last week actually, I checked 3 stores to compare its price. As you can see, each store put different prices to the same products. This is why I'm always telling my guests compare the price first and decide at the end, to save your limited budget and enjoy anime shopping fully. On 6th floor, you can find a bunch of robot figurines such as Gundam, Evangelion, and Macross. Before buying one of them, you should check it out if it's Plamodel. Compared to the built figurines, you have to put so much effort and passion to assemble Plamodel. So if you wanna buy them as a souvenir, I recommend built ones instead. However, you can feel such a sense of accomplishment when you finish assembling for sure. Souvenirs, card games, small goods, and figurines. This is one of the biggest anime shopping tours in Akihabara. I especially recommend here for those who visit to Akihabara but don't have enough time to walk around whole city. Please enjoy the rest part of showing Radio Kaikan. Thank you.
Pensez-vous avoir un peu de pain? Ah, fuck yes, des figurines! Attends, c'est le téléphone. On peut faire un tour vite vite. Ça fait 6 étages que j'attends.